Are you struggling to write a statement of purpose, or SOP, that will make you stand out in your application to a USA university? Don't worry. In this video, we'll guide you step by step to craft a powerful SOP that highlights your strengths, goals, and ambitions. Let's get started. So, what exactly is an SOP? It's a personal essay that helps admission committees understand who you are, why you're applying, and what makes you the right fit for their program. Think of it as your story, tailored to your academic and career goals. Your SOP should be organized into 5 key sections. Let's break them down. 1. Introduction. Start with a hook that grabs attention. Share your motivation for pursuing your chosen field and briefly introduce your academic background. For example, from a young age, I've been fascinated by how technology connects people and transforms lives. 2. Academic achievements. Highlight your key accomplishments, projects, and skills. Avoid repeating your resume, focus on how these experiences shaped your goals. 3. Career goals. Outline your short-term and long-term goals. Be specific. For instance, in the short term, I aim to specialize in AI research, and eventually, I aspire to lead innovation at a global tech company. 4. Why this university? Explain why you're interested in this particular program. Mention faculty, resources, or specific courses that align with your goals. 5. Conclusion. Wrap up with enthusiasm and confidence. Reiterate why you're a great fit and express excitement for the opportunity. Many applicants make common mistakes that can hurt their chances. Here's what to avoid. Don't use generic phrases like "I've always been passionate about this field." Be specific and original. Avoid exaggerations or false claims. Authenticity matters. And most importantly, never plagiarize. Admission committees can easily detect copied content. Underscore 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 underscore. Here are some pro tips to make your SOP shine. Start early and revise multiple drafts. Seek feedback from professors or mentors. Keep it concise, usually 750 to 1,000 words. Use a professional yet personal tone. Remember, your SOP should reflect your unique personality. Now you have all the tools to write an outstanding SOP for your USA University applications. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and share your questions in the comments. Good luck with your applications.